if roots of the equation bracket a minus b x square plus b minus c x plus c minus a is equal to 0 are equal, then prove that 2a is equal to b plus c. Therefore, solution to prove. What is to prove? 2a is equal to b plus c. Okay. Now proof. Our quadratic equation a minus b bracket a minus b x square plus bracket b minus c into x plus c minus a is equal to 0. Now comparing with standard form. Okay, what is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, actually, instead of this a, b and c, I will write here p, here I will write q, and I will write here r. Did you get it? Because here a, b, c, no? So we write here px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. Did you get it? Now, therefore, p is equal to, what is? P is equal to a minus b. Then q is equal to b minus c. And r is equal to c minus e. Did you get it? But equation has actually real and equal roots. Okay, but here only equal. That is equal, that is only given. But equation has equal roots. Equal roots means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. But here our PQR. Did you get it? When we compare ax square plus bx plus c, then b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. But here our PQR. No? Therefore, we write here instead of b, what is our q? Q square minus 4pr. Did you get it? This is our now b. When we take ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. But now we have taken px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. Did you get it? Now, then we put values. Okay, first I will write this way. Q square minus 4pr is equal to 0. Now we will put values. What is q? b minus c and bracket square minus 4. What is p? a minus b into series r c minus e is equal to 0. Did you get it? Now, therefore, expansion b minus c bracket square, b square minus 2bc plus c square expansion of this bracket b minus c bracket square, b square, because of square this sign minus, because of square we write here 2, b into c plus square of c, here minus 4, see this, a minus b into c minus a into c, ac, we multiply to this bracket by a into c, ac, a into minus a means minus a square, then minus b into c means minus bc, okay, and minus into minus plus b into a, ba or ab is equal to 0. Did you get it? See here, expansion of this bracket here up to this, then minus 4, and expansion or we say product of these two bracket, a into c, a into minus a, minus b into c, minus into minus plus b into a, ba or ab, okay. Therefore we write here b square minus 2 bc plus c square minus c here minus 4 ac, minus into minus plus 4 a square, minus into minus plus 4 and this a square, minus into minus plus 4 into bc, minus into plus minus 4 ab is equal to 0. Did you get it? Now here b square, c square and this, what is remaining 2, minus 2 bc and plus 4 bc, these are like terms, so we write here, see this, b square, these are only like terms, okay, b square plus c square minus 4 ac 1 2 3 plus 4 a square, okay, minus 4 ab, now plus 4 bc minus 2 bc, plus 4 bc minus 2 bc means plus 2 bc is equal to 0. Now this all means from b square to plus 2 bc, this is the perfect square, this is perfect square of square root of b square is b, okay, then square root of c square is c, did you get it, and square root of this 4, what is 2, and a square is a. Now see this, here minus 4ac and minus 4ab, here minus along with 4a, so we write here minus, did you get it, and this is we write square, means square of this b plus c minus 2a bracket square, then we get all these terms is equal to 0, taking square roots of both the sides, taking square roots of both sides. Therefore, see here, what is our b plus c minus 2a bracket square we take in square root. Square root of this is equal to square root of 0. Okay, means square root of 0 square, right? There is no need, but write that way. Therefore b plus c minus 2a is equal to 0. Now we take this minus 2a to the right side. Therefore b plus c is equal to 2a. This is our 2 proof.